Hey everyone, your favorite food scientist, Danny. I have the new Fudge Brownie Oreo Fudge Brownie Blizzard from Dairy Queen. But we decided a few weeks ago that you could make anything a Royal Blizzard. So I made this one a Royal Blizzard, and I don't even know what's in it. They asked me if I wanted fudge. I said maybe. Then I said, what about caramel or peanut butter? So I don't know what they chose, but we're going to try it and find out together. This is full of caramel. That's kind of amazing. Brian, Amy, what topping should go in the middle of the Oreo Fudge Brownie Royal that you can do yourself? Come up with it. Tell us about it next week's podcast. Bye. I gotta eat.